Namaste everyone. This is MSc second semester of spectroscopy class, and topic is electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation is a form of energy that is all around us and takes many forms such as radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, gamma rays. Sunlight is also a form of electromagnetic energy, but visible light is only a small portion of electromagnetic spectrum, which contains a broad range of electromagnetic wavelengths. So electricity and magnetism were once thought to be separate forces. However, in 1873, Scotch physicist James Clerk Maxwell developed a unified theory of electromagnetism. The study of electromagnetism deals with how electrically charged particles interact with each other and with magnetic field. There are four main electromagnetic interactions. First is the force of attraction or repulsion between electric charges is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Second is magnetic poles comes in pairs that attract and repel each other. Electric charges do. Third is electric current in a wire produces a magnetic field whose direction depends on the direction of the current. A moving electric field produces a magnetic field and vice versa. Maxwell also developed a set of formulas called Maxwell equations to describe these phenomena. Electromagnetic radiation is created when an atomic particle such as an electron is accelerated by an electric field causing it to move. The movement produces oscillating electric and magnetic field which travels at right angles to each other in a bundle of light energy called a photon. Photons travel in harmonic waves at the fastest speed possible in the universe. So the wavelength is the distance between two consecutive peaks of waves. This distance is given in meters and fractions thereof. Frequency is the number of waves that forms in a given length of time. It is usually measured as the number of wave cycles per second or hertz. A short wavelength means that the frequency will be higher because one cycle can pass in a shorter amount of time according to the similarly, a long wavelength has a lower frequency because each cycle takes longer to complete. So this is about electromagnetic radiations and their properties. Thank you so much.